Hey there, everyone. Are you tired of battling the elements to stay comfortable in your own home? Well, it's time to meet your new best friend, the mini split heat pump. Now, you might be wondering what makes a mini split heat pump so special? Glad you asked. Mini split heat pumps are like the Swiss Army knives of home comfort. They provide both heating and cooling in one sleek package, making them perfect for year-round comfort. But wait, there's more. Mini split heat pumps are super versatile, meaning you can customize the temperature in each room of your home to suit your preferences. No more fighting over the thermostat or wasting energy heating or cooling rooms you're not using. With a mini split heat pump, everyone stays happy and comfortable. And did we mention how quiet and energy efficient they are? Say goodbye to noisy window units and hello to whisper quiet comfort that won't break the bank.